Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shifa Fairusti Fahani. In this video, I will explain about three-dimensional with curved surface, especially cylinder. There are core competencies and basic competencies, purpose, objective, learning materials, and quiz. First, I will explain about core competencies and basic competencies. Core competencies, there are first, appreciate and live the religious teachings embrace, appreciate and live honest behavior, discipline, responsibility, care, courteous, self-confidence in interacting effectively with the social and natural environment within the range of accession and existence. 3. Understand and apply knowledge, factual, conceptual, and procedural, based on his curiosity about science knowledge, technology, art, culture, related to visible phenomena and event. 4. Processing, presenting, and reasoning in the concrete realm. Basic competencies. 3.7. Make generalization of the surface area and volume of cylinder. 4.7. Solving contextual problems related to the surface area and volume of cylinder, as well as the combination of several curved side space. After that, purpose, objective. Learning objective, there are know the definition of cylinder and can give example of some objects in the form of cylinder. 2. Determine the formula for the surface area of a cylinder. 3. Determine the formula for the volume of cylinder. And 4. Solve everyday problems based on the result of related observation. Okay, next is learning materials. Two cylinder. When the two ends are directly aligned on each other, it is a right cylinder, otherwise it is an oblique cylinder. There is the picture of oblique cylinder. Okay, next. Surface area of a cylinder. The surface area has this part. Surface area of both ends equal to 2 times P times R square. And then surface area of side is 2 times P times R times H, which together make surface area is 2 times P times R times R plus H. Okay, next. The example is H equal to 7 and R equal to 2. Surface area is 2 times P times R plus H, and then R equal to 2, and then H equal to 7, and then equal to 2 times P times 2 times 2 plus 7 equal to 2 times P times 2 times 9, and then the surface area is 36P. Okay, next, you can try it yourself. Next, the experiment to prove the surface area. Next, volume of a cylinder. To calculate the volume, we multiply the area of the base by the height of the cylinders. Area of the base is P times R square, and the height, the symbol is H. And we get the volume is P times R square and times H. Next, there is the example of the volume of cylinder. You can try it yourself. How to remember? Volume is equal to pizza. Imagine you just cook a pizza. The radius is Z and the thickness is A. It's the same everywhere. And then the volume is P times Z times Z times A. Next, play with here. The formula also works when it leans over, but remember that the height is always at right angles to the base, like is the picture. And this why the stack leans over but still has the same volume. Volume of a cone per cylinder. The volume formula for cylinder and cones are very similar. Volume of cylinder is P times R squared times H, and then volume of cone is 1/3 P times R squared times H. So a cone volume is exactly 1/3 of a cylinder volume. After you finish the material, you can click the button Home to back to main menu. And the next is quiz. In the quiz, you can choose the correct answer among 4 options. You can choose one option. After you choose one option, question comes next. And then, and the last, now you can read the score if you have. Thank you. And then you can click button Home to back main menu. Okay, that's all about my explanation about three-dimensional with curved surface by cylinder. I'm sorry for my mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next video and bye!